Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
Let's look at the economic costs first. Let's look at the economic costs first. Trade finance is an important part of the business. Trade finance is an important part of the business.
There are hundreds of clubs and societies to choose from. There are hundreds of clubs and societies to choose from. Most students are not eligible to claim housing benefits. Most students are not eligible to claim housing benefits.
If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. The circulation desk is located on the ground floor. The circulation desk is located on the ground floor.
We will discuss these two pictures in next lecture. We will discuss these two pictures in next lecture. She ate a sandwich and drank juice. She ate a sandwich and drank juice.
Books which are overdue will incur daily fine. Books which are overdue will incur daily fine. Country has been heavily subsidized. Country has been heavily subsidized.
The thoughts never cross my mind. The thoughts never cross my mind. If you have problems, please contact your tutor. If you have problems, please contact your tutor. But they haven't come to widespread use yet. But they haven't come to widespread use yet. He is almost never in his office. He is almost never in his office.
His lecture is always useful and stimulated. His lecture is always useful and stimulated.
In the past, people ate very different food. In the past, people ate very different food. In market, short-time thought often lead to disaster. In market, short-time thought often lead to disaster. History is not a collection of dates and events. History is not a collection of dates and events.
Your watch is fast, you need to reset it. Your watch is fast, you need to reset it. A computer virus has destroyed all my files. A computer virus has destroyed all my files. I believe children should read aloud more. I believe children should read aloud more.
I used to have coffee with milk and 1 sugar. I used to have coffee with milk and 1 sugar. The professor is going to discuss the conflict. The professor is going to discuss the conflict.
She told the faculty to be very supportive. She told the faculty to be very supportive. Diagnosis is not a discrete or limited process. Diagnosis is not a discrete or limited process. You come with me, the others stay here. You come with me, the others stay here.
We would like a videotape for the lecture. We would like a videotape for the lecture. Please keep this medicine in the fridge. Please keep this medicine in the fridge.
We don't teach in the same way that we used to. We don't teach in the same way that we used to.
There is more detail in the table on page 5. There is more detail in the table on page 5.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.